the plane passing to the points 1 to 1, 2, 1, 2, and parallel to the line 2x is equal to 3y, z equal to 1, also passing to the point here. 4 options are there. In this case, here is the plane here. Okay, and this is a normal. N bar is a normal. Their direction ratios are A, B, C. Okay, and this plane passing to 2 points here. One point is 1, 2, 1. Second point is 2, 1, 2 here. 2, 1, 2. Okay. Therefore, equation of this plane passing to the point at 1 to 1 shows the direction ratio. A, B, C are the direction ratio of normal to the plane here. Therefore, equation of the plane. Equation of the plane passing through passing through 1 to 1 is a into bracket x minus of x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Therefore, a into bracket x minus of x1 value is 1 here, then plus b into y minus y1 is 2 here, then plus c into z minus z1 is 1 is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 1 here. So the same plane passing to the point one more point here. So this is the plane passes through the point 2, 1, 2 here. 2, 1, 2. So replace here. A into 2 minus 1 plus b into 1 minus 2 plus c into 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 into a becomes a. Then it is a minus of b plus c is equal to 0 here. Take this one as equation number 12. And the line so take 2 this side here, 3 this side. So x minus 0 divided by 3, y minus 0 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 1 upon 0 is parallel to the plane 1 here. Parallel to the plane 1. Okay. So this is the line here. This is the line. That line passing to the point 0, 0, 1 here. The line passing to point 0, 0, 1 and are parallel to the vector. Okay. Whose the direction ratios are 3 to 0. 3 to 0. These are the direction ratios of the vector parallel to this line here. So this line parallel to this plane 1 here. Okay, this is plane 1. Equation of the plane is this here. This plane and the line both are parallel. If these two are parallel, then this vector and this normal both are perpendicular here. So two vectors are perpendicular if and only if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. So use this condition here. Here these two are perpendicular here. So 3 into a becomes 3a. Therefore 3a plus 2 into b becomes 2b plus 2b plus 0 into c becomes 0c is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 3. Now solving equations 2 and 3. Solving equations 2 and 3. Here A coefficient is 1, B coefficient is a minus 1 here, C coefficient is 1. Here A coefficient is a 3, B coefficient is a 2, C coefficient is a 0. Repeat once again these numbers here. So 1 minus 1, 3, 2 here. You are using a cross multiplication method. Take this one as A, B and C here. Therefore A divided by minus 1 into 0 becomes a 0, minus of 1 into 2 becomes a 12, is equal to B divided by 1 into 3 becomes a 3, minus of 0 into 1 becomes a 0, is equal to C divided by 1 into 2 becomes a 2, minus of minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3, minus minus becomes plus 3, is equal to some constant K here. Therefore, this is equal to K. So, A is equal to minus of 2K. Take a 3 this side here. So, B is equal to 3 into K. Take a 5 this side here. So, C is equal to 5K. Use these 3 in the equation 1 here. Therefore, 1 becomes. Equation 1 becomes A value minus 2K. Then into x minus 1 here. Then the b value is a 3k plus 3k into bracket of y minus 2. Then the c is a 5k here. So right here plus a 5k into z minus 1 is equal to 0. Then dividing both sides by k. Dividing both sides by k. K cancels, so minus 2 into this. Then 3 into y minus 2 plus 5 into z minus 1 is equal to 0. Take a minus 2 inside here. So minus of 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1 becomes a plus 2. Then 3 into y becomes a 3y. Then 3 2s are 6 here, minus of 6. 5 into z becomes 5z. Then 5 ones are 5. Minus 5 is equal to 0. Yes, it is a minus of 2x here. Plus 3y. Plus 5z here. Minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. Minus 11 plus 2 here. So minus of 9 that is equal to 0. Then dividing or multiplying both sides by minus 1 here. We get 2x minus 3y, then minus 5z plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the plane. Equation of this plane is this here. This plane also passing through any one of these 4 points here. Okay, just observe here. So that is, y is 0 here. So 2 2s are 4 and minus minus become plus here. Obviously the point not lies on this plane here. It not becomes 0. Then x is a 0 here. 6 3s are 18 and 5 2s are 10. Again it cannot be 0. Again here x is a 0. 6 3s are 18 plus 18 minus of 10 here. Again it not becomes 0. And the last option here. So put x value minus 2. It gives a minus 4. Then y value 0 here. This becomes a 0. And z value is 1 here. Minus 5 plus 9 is equal to 0. Then obviously this point lies on this plane here. Okay, therefore minus 2 0 1 lies on the plane. Okay, equation of this plane is this here. In this plane this point minus 2 0 1 lies here. Okay, fourth option is correct. So a plane passing through the point of 3 1 1 contains 2 lines. So the direction ratios are 1 minus 2 2 2 3 minus 1 respectively. If this plane also passing through the point alpha minus 3 5, then alpha is equal to what here? Okay, so this is a plane here. Okay, then this is the normal here, normal to the plane. Then take here direction ratios are A, B, C here. And this plane passing to the point 3, 1, 1 here. This plane passing to the point 3, 1, 1. Therefore, equation of the plane here. Equation of the plane passing through so 3, 1, 1 is E into x minus 3 plus B into y minus 1 plus so C into z minus 1 is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Okay. Then the line plane contains 2 lines here. So therefore direction ratio of this line is 1 minus 2 here. Direction ratio of this line so 2 3 minus 1 here. Then obviously this normal and this line both are perpendicular. This normal and this line both are perpendicular here. Therefore you are using this condition A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Okay, here 1 into A becomes A. Okay, and 2 lines whose the direction ratios so 1 minus 2 2 and so 2 3 minus 1 lies on 1 here. Hence 1 into A becomes A plus or right here 1 into A. Then minus 2 into B here. Minus 2 into B plus so 2 into C. 2 into C is equal to 0. We are using this condition here. Yes, A minus 2B plus 2C is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 3. Also, take 2 into A. 2 into A plus 3 into B plus minus 1 into C is equal to 0 here. Therefore, 2A plus 3B minus C is equal to 0. Take equation number 4 here. Okay. Take this one as 2 here and this one as 3. Solving 2 and 3 here. Solving equations 2 and 3. So 1 minus 2 2 here. So 1 minus 2 2 2 3 minus 1. So 2 3 minus 1. Repeat once again 1 minus 2 2 3. Then cancel here. Take here A, B and C. Therefore A divided by minus 2 into minus 1 becomes a plus 2 minus of 3 2s are 6 is equal to B divided by 2 2s are 4 minus of 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 minus minus plus 1 is equal to so C divided by 1 into 3 becomes a 3 minus of 2 2s are 4 minus 4 minus minus plus 4 is equal to some constant K. 2 minus 6 is a minus 4. Minus 4 into K minus 4K. Therefore, A is equal to minus of 4K. 4 plus 1 is a 5. Take a 5 this side here. So, B is equal to 5K. 3 plus 4 7. Take 7 this side here. So, C is equal to 7K. C value 7K. Okay. Then, use these 3 results in one. Therefore, equation 1 becomes Equation 1 becomes minus of 4k into x minus 3 plus 5k. So plus 5k into y minus 1. Then plus 7k. 7k into z minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Then dividing both sides by k. Dividing both sides by k. So we get minus of 4 into x minus 3. So 5 into y minus 1. So 7 into z minus 1 is equal to 0. So minus of 4x plus 12 plus 5y minus 5. So 7z minus of 7 is equal to 0. Hence minus of 4x here plus 5y plus 7z. Then 12 minus 5 gives 7 here. 7 minus 7 becomes 0. So this is equal to 0. This is the plane here. So here alpha minus 3 5 lies on this plane here. Therefore, so alpha minus 3 5 lies on this plane here. Therefore, replace x by alpha minus of 4 alpha here. Replace y by minus 3. 5 is 15 minus of 15 here. And 7 5 is 35. So plus 35 is equal to 0. So minus 4 alpha. So 35 minus 15 20. Take 20 right hand side here minus of 20. Therefore alpha value is 5. Therefore first option is correct here. Alpha is equal to 5.